2% of the fuses manufactured by a firm are to be a defective. Find the probability that a box containing 200 fuses contains, first one is no defective fuses, second one is 3 or more defective fuses. Okay, 2% of fuses manufactured by firm are found to be a defective. Okay, 2% is defective parts. Find the probability that box containing 200 fuses. Find the probability of defective a box containing 200 box. Okay, first one no defective, second one 3 or more defective fuses. This question is appeared in December 2018. December 2018. Probability of a defective fuses. Defective fuses. Defective fuses. Okay, 2%. This we can be written as 2 by 100, means we are writing 0.02. Okay, then next step we need to find the, observe first you write the formula. In exam also, first write down the formula. If answer is wrong, at least you will get the marks formula. Okay, then also substitution is also carries marks. M to the power of x e to the power of minus m divided by x factorial. Okay, in maths subject you can easily pass. If you write the formula and substitution, you will get at least 3-4 marks. Okay, then simplification is carries only 2 or 1 marks. Write the formula p of x is equal to m to the power of x e to the power of minus m divided by x factorial. Okay, then what we have to find here? We have to find mean number of defective, mean number of defective. Mu is equal to m is equal to np. Mu is equal to m is equal to np. Then m, n is what? N is 200 fuses. Write down 200. Okay, write down here n is equal to 200. And p is what? Just now we found no 0.02. 0.02. Then m is equal to 200 into 0.02. What is the answer?
Four, ma'am.
What is the answer?
M equals 4, ma'am.
M is equal to 4. Then next write the formula. Then substitute all the values. P of x is equal to m is 4. 4 to the power of x e to the power of minus 4 divided by x factorial. Then use the calculator. Find out what is the e to the power of minus 4 values. Use the calculator. Tell me e to the power of minus 4 values.
Zero point 0.018 ma'am.
What?
0.0183.
Oh, correct. 0.0183. Okay. The next here p of x is equal to e to the power of minus 4 is 0.0183. Okay, then 4 to the power of x by x factorial. Okay, then next completed. Complete. Write down fast. Write down question and answer. If any doubt is there, you ask me. One question is compulsory in Poisson distribution, binomial distribution, and normal distribution. I think compared to binomial, Poisson distribution is very easy. Completed. Okay, completed. Then probability of no defective. The probability of no defective fuses. Tell me, probability of no defective fuses is what? P of 0. No defective, you have to take P of 0. Okay, then 0.0183, 4 to the power of 0 by 0 factorial. Then 0.0. What is the answer? What is the answer?
0.0183.
0.0183. Okay.
0.0183.
Oh, correct. 0.0183. Then find out second one. Find out second one.
0.7621, ma'am.
Second one is, what is the answer?
0.7621.
Correct. Okay. Probability of next. What about girls? Understood? Probability of 3 are more defective. Okay. Probability of 3 are more defective. More defective. We are writing here 1 minus. Okay. More. Means more defective means what you have to do means 3R. P of 3 plus 3 also include P of 3, P plus P of 4 plus P of 5 plus and so on. And so on. Okay. Then this is difficult now. Up to P of 200 is difficult. That's why what we have to do here, 1 minus P of x is equal to 0 plus P of x is equal to 1. Okay, P of x is equal to 0 plus P of x is equal to 1. Akshita, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Mute your audio. It's disturbing the class. One minus P of x is equal to 0 plus P of x is equal to 1. Then take this one. P of x is equal to 4 to the power of x e to the power of minus 4. 4 to the power of 0 e to the power of minus 4, 0 factorial plus 4 to the power of 1 e to the power of minus 4 divided by 1 factorial. Then use the it is correct. I think it is wrong. No. Here one more we have to add it plus P of x is equal to 2. probability of 3 or more defective means plus 4 into e to the power of minus 4. Okay, 4 to the power of 2 divided by 2 factorial. Okay, once again I will write, observe here. Probability of 3 or more defective means 1 minus p of x is equal to 0 plus p of x is equal to 1 plus p of x is equal to 2. We have to stop here. Probability of 3 or more defective. Okay, we have to find 3 or more. 1 minus p of here 4 to the power of means here 0.0183, 4 to the power of 0 by 0 factorial plus 0.0183, 4 to the power of 1 by 1 factorial plus 0.0183, 4 square divided by 2 factorial, 4 square divided by 2 factorial. Then next take down here 0.0183 common. 4 factorial divided by 0 factorial is 1 plus 4 square by 2, 16 by 2 it is 8. Then simplify and tell me the answer. What is the answer? Arif, Chandan, Dhanush.
0.7621.
0.7621. Okay, what about girls are completed?
Yes,
Completed.
ma'am.
If you completed, write the second question. If the probability of a bad reaction from certain injection, bad reaction from a certain, all of them write the question, then only you will analyze. Okay, certain injection is 0.01. Determine the chance that out of 2000 individuals more than 2 will get a bad reactions. Okay, this question is appeared in December 2017, then 2018 and also 19, and okay, this question is appeared in your assignment also. Okay, carefully observe, only one condition is given here. Okay, if the probability of bad reaction from a certain injection is 0.001, then write the question. If the probability of a bad reaction from a certain injection is 0.001, Determine the chances that out of 200 individuals, more than 2 will get a bad reaction. Okay, here what is given? What is given? And also observe here 0.001 is very small or very small? Very small, no? When we have to use the Poisson distribution, p small p is very small, then n is very large. That time we are using the Poisson distribution. Then observe here, if the probability of bad reaction from certain injection is 0.001, determine the chances that out of 2000 individuals, more than 2 will get a bad reaction. More than 2 will get a bad reaction. This question is appeared in 2017 and 2018 and 19. Okay. Completed previous problem. Deepti, shall I start the problem? I'm audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Audible, ma'am.
Okay, shall I start the problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here probability of a bad reaction is very small. Probability of occurrence is probability of bad reaction is very small. Okay, then write the formula here. Poisson distribution formula. Poisson distribution formula. Then P of x is equal to m to the power of x e to the power of minus m whole divided by x factorial. Okay. Then here probability of a bad reaction, small p is what here? 0.001. Small p is 0.01. Then we need to find the m value. We need to find the m value. Mean is nothing but m only. Mean is nothing but m. Okay, means m is equal to np. M is equal to np. Then n is what here? 2000. 2000 into p values here 0.001. Then what will get 2000 into 0.001 is 2. Means here m is equal to 2. M is equal to 2. Then p of x is equal to, in place of m, substitute here 2 to the power of x e to the power of minus 2 by x factorial. Okay. Otherwise, e to the power of minus 2. Then next step, we have to find, what is the question here? We have to find more than 2 will get a bad reaction. More than 2 will get bad reaction means x is greater than 2. Okay, p of x is greater than 2. Means p of 2 plus p of 3 plus p of 4 plus up to p of 2000 we have to find. This is very difficult. That's why we have to write 1 minus p of x is equal to 0 plus p of x is equal to 1. P of x is equal to 1. Okay, p of x is equal to 1. Then write down here. We have to find p of x is greater than 2. P of x is greater than, we are writing 1 minus p of x is less than or equal to 2. P of x is less than or equal to 2. Is a more than 2, no? Means one more here, plus p of x is equal to 2. Then 1 minus p of x is equal to 0 plus p of x is equal to 1 plus p of x is equal to 2. Okay. Then 1 minus 2 to the power of 0 e to the power of minus 2. Take this formula. 2 to the power of x into e to the power of minus 2 divided by x factorial. 2 to the power of 0 e to the power of minus 2 by 0 factorial plus 2 to the power of 1 e to the power of minus 1 factorial plus 2 to the power of 2 e to the power of minus 2 divided by 2 factorial. 2 factorial. Then take down here e to the power of minus 2 common. 2 to the power of 0 is 1 by 1, 2 by 1, then 4 by 2. E to the power of minus 2 value. Use the calculator and tell me. Any doubt is there in this step? Any doubt is there? What is the answer? E to the power of minus 2. Maran? Ashita?
E to the power minus 2 is 0.135, ma'am.
0.135.
135.
Okay, then simplify. Final answer is what?
0.325.
0.3233. Okay, correct.
Yes, ma'am. 0.3233.
Then final answer is here 0.3233. Okay, this is the required answer. Write down. Then I will write the next question. Any doubt? Boys and girls, write down neatly. It's 7 marks question, very important, and easily we can write. You can solve this problem. M4 is not a difficult. Easily you can pass, and also you can score good marks also in M4. Completed. Write the next question. The number of accidents per day as recorded in textile industry over a period of 400 days is given. Fit a Poisson distribution for the data and calculate the theoretical frequency. Theoretical frequencies. Okay. The number of accidents per day as recorded in a textile industry over a period of 400 days. In 400 days, how many accidents is recorded? Okay, is given. Fit a Poisson distribution for the data. Okay, is given. Fit a Poisson distribution for the data. In Poisson distribution data is given, and calculate the theoretical frequency. We have to calculate theoretical frequencies. X, F, 0, 173, 1, 168, 2, 37, 3, 18, 4, 3, 5 is 1. Okay, this is distribution, Poisson distribution given is here. Okay, we have to find the theoretical frequencies. Write the question neatly. This is very easy, it's not a difficult. Write the question. Completed question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then next. Write the year. First we have for the Poisson distribution is given here. Poisson distribution is given here. We have for the Poisson distribution. Write the solution. We have for the Poisson distribution. Mean. Okay, nu is equal to summation of f of x divided by summation of f. Okay, we need to find the mean. Nu, how to find summation of f of x divided by summation of f? Okay, 0.73173 plus 1 into 168 plus 2 into 37 plus 3 into 18 plus 4 into 3 plus 5 into 1. Then in denominator, summation of f173 plus 168 plus 37 plus 18 plus 3 plus 1. Okay, 173 plus 168 plus 37 plus 18 plus 18 plus 3 plus 1. Okay, use the calculator, simplify and tell me the answer. What is the answer? Okay, here Poisson distribution is given. We need to find the theoretical frequency. That's why we need to find mean. Okay, mean we have to find, because Poisson distribution, the formula is what? P of x is equal to m to the power of x e to the power of minus m divided by x factorial. Okay, tell me what is the m here? Tell me, Dhanush, what is the answer?
0.788, ma'am.
0.7825. Tell me once again answer.
0.7825.
Yes, ma'am.
78. Okay, correct. Answer is correct. 0.7825. This is nothing but m. Then write the formula, Poisson distribution formula. Poisson distribution is P of x is equal to m to the power of x e to the power of minus m divided by x factorial. Okay. Then here 400 base no, means observe here f of x is equal to 400 p of x. 400 p of x. What is the p of x here? 400 into m to the power of x into e to the power of minus m divided by x factorial. Then 400 into m value. Okay, m value substitute here. 0.7825. In place of m, substitute the value 0.7825 e to the power of minus 0.7825 whole divided by x factorial. Okay, x factorial. Okay. Then what is the e to the power of minus 0.7825 answer? What is the answer? E to the power of minus 0.7825.
0.457, ma'am.
0.4573. Okay, 0.4573. ಹಲೋ ಸರ್, ಅದು ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಇಂಟಿಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಲೋಕೇಶ್ ಸರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು, ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ನೀವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ? ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೂ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನನಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಟ್ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅವ್ರು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನ್ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ನನಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವಾಗಲೇ ಅವ್ರು ಲೋಕೇಶ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಲೋಕೇಶ್ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಮೊದಲೇ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೇನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೋನು. ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಸರ್, ನಾವು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು, ಆಫೀಸವರೇ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಲೋಕೇಶ್ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ರೀಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಸರಿನಾ ಸರ್? ಎತ್ತಿದ್ರು ಕಷ್ಟ, ಎತ್ತಲಿನಾದ್ರೂ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಹಲೋ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಪ್ಪ ವಾಯ್ಸು?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then next f of x. We are 400 into 400 into 0. What is the answer here? We are 0.7825 whole to the power of x. 0.7825 whole to the power of x is there, no? 400 into 0.457, 0.4573, okay? Then into 0.7825 whole to the power of x, okay? Whole divided by x factorial. Then what will get 400 into 0.4573? Okay, I'm writing, you check it, this is correct or wrong, okay? 182 to 182.9, it is correct? Check it and tell me, use the
Yes,
calculator. Okay, 182.9, 0.7825 whole to the power of x by x factorial. Okay, then next what we have to do, we have to find the theoretical frequencies. Theoretical frequencies. How to get means put x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 0, start from 0 to 5 in f of x. In f of x, okay, put x is equal to 0, put x is equal to 1 and put x is equal to, take this equation, observe here, take this one, f of x is equal to 182.9, 0.7825 whole to the power of x by x factorial. Okay, put x is equal to 0 here, then use the calculator, simplify and tell me the answer. Okay, all of them, not only one student, all of them. Okay, only 10 days is left your IA. Okay, then I will complete Wednesday your portions. Then I will do the revision. Friday and Saturday I will do the revision. Okay, tell me answer. What is the answer here? F of 1, 182.9, 0.7825 whole to the power of 1. Here 0 factorial. This is 2 factorial. F of 2, 182.9, 0.7825 whole to the power of 2 by 2 this is 1 factorial. Then f of 3 is equal to 182.9, 0.7825 whole to the power of 3 by 3 factorial. F of 4, 112.9, 0.7825 whole to the power of 4 by 4 factorial. Then f of 5. Then f of 5 is equal to 182.9, 0.7825 whole to the power of 5 by 5 factorial. Okay, one by one, tell me answer. First one, put x is equal to 0, what we are getting answer? Actually 0.7825 whole to the power of 0 is 1. 0 factorial is
183, ma'am.
183. Okay, 182.9 it will come. We'll write it 180.9. Then what about x is equal to 1?
Yes.
What is the answer?
143.1. 143.1.
143.1. Answer is 143.
3.
Then put x is equal to 2.
55.99 near 56.
55.99 na?
99.
Means
Yes, ma'am.
50.
Yes.
56. The next
14.6.
14.6.
15.
Next. F of 4.
2.85.
3.85.
2.85. 2.85.
2.85. Okay, means you'll get it here 3. Then
Yes,
F
ma'am.
of 5.
0.44.
0.444. We are writing 0 only. What about